Hey friends, how are y'all? It's been a bit. It's been a year since I've posted anything on YouTube, and that's because I pretty much live on Instagram if I do anything, but it really has been the year of change for me, and just recently moved to Colorado. If you're not following me on my other social media links, I just moved here a couple months ago, so just getting situated and settled. And if you've watched any of my other videos in the past, then you notice there's a change. And I'm still in the process of getting my studio put together, but of course I wasn't going to miss out on Beautycounter's holiday edit. So I'm going to do a video, just a quick overview on each set, but I do really plan on getting back into doing more videos for YouTube. Had a lot of changes. I'll get into that in my next video. Just a lot of life changes, but all really, really good things. But it's why I haven't been on here for a while. So anyway, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Let's get into Beautycounter's holiday limited edition fall sets. Okay, as you can see, I'm a little festive. I mean, I did put on some jewels. I put on some jewels to be festive, but this is about it for this year. This is all I really have the capacity for, but I wanted to make sure I got this video out. Actually, I had one of my clients saying, "You're gonna do a video, right?" So I had to at least bring it for that reason. So I might, I say this every year, I might get into like one or two sets where I'll go more in depth, but again, this is a quick overview so you can get your shopping going. This launches to the public October 3rd. So there are definitely gonna be some sets in here that you need to grab. And if you've purchased Beautycounter before and holiday, then you know there are several that are gonna go quickly. So do not wait. Okay, so we have 14 holiday limited edition fall sets, and we have one new category, which I'll probably save for last just because. And we definitely have some new colors that are in some of our makeup sets, as well as a couple of new fun products, and of course some of the old familiars that are tried and true. So as you can see, they definitely stayed with their color palette. This has really worked for them throughout the last couple of years. So that gorgeous maroon color, of course, holiday red, always beautiful, and then of course the fun hot pink. The one thing that they did that was a little different that than they've done in previous years is that they did a candy cane lettering for each one. It's like shine, glow, fresh, those are the words, and I like it. It does reference more Christmas, of course, and if you don't celebrate Christmas, I still think it's fun and youthful. So I still think by throwing a ribbon on it, which I always suggest anyway, because they're just so giftable as is, has that beautiful Beautycounter on the side there on some of these bigger boxes. Anyway, I think that it'll still work, and anyway, can't wait to get into it with you. Okay, so I kind of already touched the sets because I had to do one for Instagram because I can't do the one video for both places. I have to do two separate videos. So I already know what's in them, but I still haven't really played. It's still kind of a little bit of a first impression. So I'm just gonna do what I did on Instagram. I'm gonna open it up, kind of talk about it and just swatch it versus like really play, but I'm still probably discovering a few new things on here. So we'll discover together. Okay, so the first set I'm going to get into is the Mini Beyond Lip Gloss Vault. And of course, this has done really well over the last few years. We've done the mini versions, and this is $49 US, 63 Canadian. Comes in a cute pink box. It says Shine, which of course makes sense. Okay, so it comes in 4 colors, as you can see. See, cute. Oh, well, there are my hands. Cute. Okay, so the first color is Daisy Shimmer, which, how do they describe it? As a sheer opalescent shimmer. Let's see, can you see that? Get into the light. There you go. It's pretty, very pretty. And then Toffee Shimmer, which is a bronze gold shimmer. Ooh. And these, if you haven't used our lip glosses before, they're very cushiony, non-sticky. We use responsibly sourced Madagascar vanilla. So It smells really good, but very subtle. Okay, and then this one is Petunia. As you can see, Petunia, Petunia. And this is a true rose. Ooh, that's gonna be pretty. I need to try that. High shine, but non-sticky. And then Posy, which is a cool plum. I have a feeling that we're gonna be best friends. I love this kind of color. Very reminiscent of the 90s. As you can see, very pretty. Anyway, $49 US, 63 Canadian. You can gift all 4 to yourself or to someone else, or you can just break them up and then gift them that way with a gift card, like a Starbucks gift card, or like a bottle of wine or champagne or anything. So anyway, very cute. Okay, so the next set I'm going to talk about is the Lashes and Lips Duo. I think this is going to do really, really well because of the product that's in there, of course. But isn't this the cutest little makeup bag? Of course, environmentally friendly. It is 46 US, 60 Canadian, and it comes with our mini Think Big mascara. So very voluminous lashes and all that stuff. But then what comes in here, which this product has come in different variations, but it's called the Transformer. It's a full size, and it's what I'm wearing. Basically, it's basically like a mood ring for your lips. Works with your body chemistry to give you like that perfect pink. It's usually like a shade or two. Let me look in the camera. It's like a shade or two darker than your natural lips. It gives that perfect pink. Anyway, love this. And I swear on certain days it changes, because our body chemistry changes sometimes. So anyway, I love that. Such a great set. You'll notice a lot of our makeup sets are great for the teens, tweens, and then of course, those of us that are in our 50s and up and up and up. So anyway, great for gifting for anybody that loves makeup. I forgot to mention that all of our sets are under $100, as well as a lot being under 50. So we've got some really great range as far as gift sets this year. So I think you'll be really pleased. This one is the Shimmer and Glow Makeup Duo. I love this one. Anyway, again, with the packaging, has the Beautycounter right there. I love that. Anyway, this is a highlighter and lid glow, which is a cream shadow. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. Love it. Again, sustainable, all recyclable kind of materials. And then this is the highlighter, and it's like a champagne. Let me just kind of use here. Very pretty. Well, might as well balance it all out. But it's that perfect like shimmer, the champagne kind of shimmer. Very, very pretty. And then the lid glow is also the same color, which, let's see if you can double it up. And you know with these lid glows that you can double it up to get more of the color, but look at that, it's like a pink champagne. So great for right here on the inner eyes. Anyway, lovely. Or by itself, 49 US, 63 Canadian. I just can't even with this packaging. How cute is this packaging? Yes, and this is a best seller every single year that we do it. And these are the Jellies. Not the cutest. It's so cute. And this is one of those that you can gift separately. Great to, take them, break it apart and pop it into stocking stuffers. Again, attach it to a gift card. Great for your tweens, teens, and beyond, of course. And I just love the packaging this year. It's just so, so cute. This is 55 US, 72 Canadian. And let's get into the colors. Okay, it comes in 5 different colors. And this one is confetti, which you can see it's just a sheer pearlescent color. And what I love about these, they said nostalgic scents this year, which I like. And they're sweetened with stevia, so they're safer, all that good stuff, because what we put on our mouth, we ingest that, we do. Okay, this one's Oak Latte. And this is kind of like a peachy shimmer. It's very pretty. Look at that one. Ooh, smells good too. Then we have Lollipop, which is like a reddish orange. It smells so good and yummy and safe. And so yeah, reddish orange. And again, it's just supposed to give you a little bit of color, a little swipe of color. Except for this one. This one is Sugar Plum, which is a sheer berry. Yeah, that one smells. I think that's my favorite. This is my favorite smell. I need to put this one on. There it is. Maybe I'll put a little on right now. On my, ooh, I like it. That tastes good. You don't want to be eating these, but yeah, that's very, very pretty. This one is Sorbet, has made a, it always comes back, and it's just like the perfect pink, sheer pink with a little bit of warmth. It's this one right here. So really nice. Anyway, such a great deal, 5 for $55. And again, the packaging, how cute. This is the Hidden Gem makeup set. Cute red box, fun stuff. And I like that it opens like this to see. And wait till you see what's in here. It's definitely one of my favorite sets for the year. Anyway, it's 55 US, 72 Canadian. So what it comes with is a full-size limited edition Cheeky Cream blush, as well, this is the cutest thing, as a mini refillable size of our Glow First Priming Serum, which is amazing, by the way, because it helps your makeup stay on longer, up to 12 hours. It actually has jojoba esters in there, so it helps with the plumping of your skin, smooths out the skin, gives that extra hydration. It just gives that glow, hence Glow First. Love this stuff. Anyway, and it's refillable, so it comes with that. I just want it just for this. And then the blush is so pretty too. This color is new, Jewel, and it's a shimmering rose copper. Yeah, that is a rose copper. And again, you can put this on your cheeks, on your eyes, your lips. I think this is great on all skin tones. And what's great about this too is you just keep putting more if you want to build more, if you want to make the color more bold or intense. What I love about the compacts is that they are so chic, they're refillable. So when you're done with this color, you can buy one of our refills of our other colors. And it's just so chic and cute. Plus it's 100% post-consumer recycled material. So also earth friendly. Anyway, great set for the makeup person that loves the makeup. Again, 55 US, 72 Canadian.